All right, guys, real quick before I start my morning here, some of you have asked how to install Windows 11 on an older PC. Now, a couple of things here. Yes, it can be done. I did it on an older test machine. Is it recommended? Well, according to Microsoft, no, but I will have a link for this below in the show notes. But this link here, which is one of the documents on support.microsoft.com, it says here ways to install Windows 11, and it's the settings and Windows updates. Here, other ways to install Windows 11. It's a modification in a registry key. Again, I was able to bypass the security check in my 10-year-old PC with Windows 11. Does it work? Yes. Have I had any issues? Not so far. Is it faster than Linux? Windows 11 is definitely faster than some forms of Linux, especially if you have the GNOME desktop. Is it recommended? Well, probably not. However, if you have a PC that's made for testing or a backup PC or don't care if it may eventually crash with this hack with Windows 11, then yes, you can do this upgrade to Windows 11 on an older PC like I did, and so far not have any issues. Good luck.